Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories coming from Margate, Florida. And today, after many, many years, I have finally done it. What am I talking about? Well, before I get into that, that is our telephone number if you have any questions. I'm gonna go ahead and put a link to this product at the bottom of this YouTube video. So you need to check pricing and availability and all that stuff. So what do we got here? Well, let me grab a few things. I'm gonna show you a few things here today. So, I've been doing videos of the Retrax EQ at SEMA 2021, SEMA 2022, SEMA 2023, and the Keystone Big Show last week. And I finally, well, I can't say I because basically Buddy and Joel put this in today. And by the way, they did a really good job. And I tell you, Buddy was just showing me how everything operates on it. It's really, really cool. So before I get into this, John, go ahead and look around at the cover. There are some differences on this. I'll see if I can point them out. There's a lot of differences actually on this, but I'll start with some of the cosmetic ones. For example, if you look at the slats, they're smaller. Why is that better? Well, I'm going to get into that, but I guess I'll tell you right now, is the canister is going to be about 2 inches smaller than its predecessor. So a smaller canister means you have more room in the bed. Also, the T-slot, which lets you put all this stuff on here. You can put an elevate system, you can put cargo racks and everything else onto this, is standard now. So really, really good. By the way, Buddy, do you know the warranty on this? No, okay. I'll put it at the bottom of the video, by the way. Again, this is, even though the previous one had a 5-year warranty, I'm assuming it's going to have 5 years, but I'll print it at the bottom of the video and you'll know for sure. So, let's show you, besides the cosmetic differences, and there are a few small ones. Installation, if you're putting this on, it's a few more steps to do, and we'll get into that as well. Now, let me tell you some of the differences here. I have here a app for this, right? And I have the key fob to this Toyota. This truck will let you, let's go ahead and step back here. Well, with the app, I can go ahead, let's go ahead and hit this here. Let's see. I guess I have to unlock it first. There we go. I forgot this thing automatically locks. Okay. So, with the app, I can open the tailgate. Of course, you can open it with this. I can open the cover with that, but guess what? I can also open the cover with the remote. So let's go here to the unlock. I'm gonna hit it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Now, I can also use the app to open this. So you get the kind of like 2 ways open. This does not come with the key fob. The previous model came with a key fob. Now the benefit to you is if you have less key fobs because you're just using the factory key fob. Now if you look inside, you'll notice the canister is a lot smaller, which will let you do some different things for in the bed. Now you can always put a bed slide in there and stuff like that, and cargo ease and cargo glide, they all fit in there. Now the deck system, which we have done with other models, might fit. I think it's going to come down to which truck, if he'll fit for that truck or not. We're still looking into that. Also, if you look, you see this is all attached to the T-slot, which is kind of how it was before, so it hasn't changed. Now, if you look here, you'll notice it has an LED light on the rail. Now, you can purchase a second one. Be honest with you, this one's really, really bright, so you might not need a second one, but you can purchase if you want one on the opposite side here. Again, this is a really cool setup. I'm gonna go ahead and 1, 2, 3. I heard the thing lock and so, oh, good. Okay, so again, I'm using the remote, but with the, let me see if you can film it. Come in here a little bit, John. As you can see, this is the app from Retrax. You got your tailgate, you got your open and close. You can lock in and unlock your doors. So you can do everything your remote does, you can do with an app. This is all new. Now they will be phasing out the other model. I'm not sure how long, because this is the latest and greatest product out here. And I tell you, it's pretty cool. I gotta admit, it looks very similar to the other one. Like I said, the slats are a little different. Installation is different. There is a few more steps involved. Now, the nice thing is if you buy it from us, we can walk you through it. You can talk to Buddy, one of our master techs, as well as Joel and myself. We can help you with any of the installation questions, because a lot of times you might get in there and the directions are a little vague and you're trying to get a hold of a real truck, and a real truck sometimes doesn't pick up the phone. And if you're in the middle of something, you might want to get an answer. Now, keep in mind, we have lots of good information for you if you buy from us. Now, if you go and you buy from some other company, it's the same price, by the way. If it's brand new, it's the same price. And you're having problems, and you call them and they don't answer the phone, or they don't know how to do it, and you want to call us, I'm like, you have lost that opportunity because you didn't purchase it from us. We are here for our customers. I can't be here for everyone else's customers. So keep that in mind. Again, this is a great product. I'm gonna go ahead and, actually I'll go ahead and use the rope here. Let's see. Okay, there we go. So I just used that. Okay, and let's go ahead and, so there we go. I stopped it, if you notice. You can also stop it anywhere along the trackway. I just did right now. And why is that good? Well, let's say if you have a tall item in here and you want to close the tailgate and you kind of want the cover to kind of kiss up to it, there is a new rubber seal here, by the way. This is also new. So it kind of hold it in place. It's not going to hold a ton of weight. So if you go and put a couple 100 pounds again, it will move. So it's just more or less to kind of kiss up to it. So keep that in mind. Again, great product. I've been selling Retrax, I don't know, 20 years. I know it's been a while. It's been a long time. It's one of the most reliable products I sell. And I'm expecting the Retrax EQ to be just as good as the other models we've been doing over the years. And as electric covers go, if you talk to my staff, they really like the Retrax. They have good motors, and that's real important. If you're gonna buy an electric cover, you need a company with a good track record. Retrax is that company. Again, let's see, I'm gonna go hit the close button here. Let's see. Make sure I'm doing it right. Okay. And again, let's see. Here we go. If you like this, you can come to the store, let us do the installation for you. We'll take care of everything. We even put a 1-year labor guarantee on everything we do today. Also, if you don't live here in the States, in this state, we'll ship it anywhere in the United States. Texas, California. We ship it a lot to Hawaii, which is, thank you Hawaii, by the way. And also we some stuff to Canada, not everything. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories, and we're doing a review of the Retrax EQ. Let's see, there we go. On the brand new Toyota Tundra. And before I go, like and subscribe. Thank you.